Okay, today we're going to demonstrate the bridge swing light. This is BSL. It stands for bridge swing or bridge swivel. And basically this is all stainless steel. Everything on here is stainless. And it's actually piped, so it's really strong kind of material. The advantage is, these are the old technology where they want to swing it up, but they used to change the bulbs every 30 days or a couple months. The way it works is the guy on the bridge up there, he pulls it up, he gets up and then he changes the bulb. In this case you can change the bulb just by unturning this here. In the old days you have a lot of tools. This takes the head right off. You change the bulb or change the LED, and then they drop it back down. And the wiring, you can have a couple of different wiring arrangements. One is a simple one like this. This is outdoor exposed wires. It's called a shipboard cable. You can take the ultraviolet light and all the other stuff. This here is a complete swivel here. Grease, it has a grease fitting on it here, so you can grease it up. But this is all stainless. You can get this with or without this knob here. And also, by specifying the length out from here to here, we call it L1 on our drawings. But you can ask us for out to here or something if you have a large overhang. This is to take care of overhangs. But if you want to flush, you get a short nipple. And it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. It's an all LED head, all Lexian on the head and the lens, or polycarbonate. And this is the way it's set up. Real simple and real easy, a lot less complicated than the old days. You no longer need a big pipe for the head. The head weighs about 2 pounds. The old heads used to be 20 pounds. So this has been all slimmed down, and you can order this any length you want. I mean, most of the time it's no more than 8-10 feet. And this length here, you can also specify what length you want on here if you want it. And that's about it.